What's going on, guys? Daniel K55 here, back again with another YouTube video. Today I'm finally building my PC. Got all the parts, been taking a while, and let's just jump right into it. This is Sam, by the way. He's filming my video.
Oh, what's up, dude? Now you want to do this without pushing down. So line everything up very gently. Go ahead. I'm just gonna set it down gently.
Like that.
Like that.
And then you fold that down.
Yep. So it folds down right into there. It's on. I'm just gonna go ahead and push it in there like a madman. There you go. Yep, it's gonna do that. So just go ahead and push it down. Like this. Ooh. Do you have a magnetic tip on your screw?
I think so.
Oh, they're perfect. Alright, that's good. Alright, let's line it up then.
Here's on.
It is. Alright, then we flip this magical little switch right here.
Where?
And it's gonna be very taut, very tight. But it's on. No wiggles. Your thermal paste is already applied.
Huh. Okay.
So that's A-okay. This is on.
And 3, 2. Did it get
It's
it?
beautiful.
Is it getting it?
No.
Oh wow. Still. Oh, is it changing color?
Yeah, it's RGB. Alright. We got
Power.
power. Absolutely beautiful. That's a real monster there, eh?
Well, you know it, man. You only deal with the biggest of monsters out here.
Oh yeah, in the middle of the desert.
And we're gonna have to clean all this up, move the table out, and I'm gonna have to rearrange my desk and
Oh,
everything.
I'll help you with that.
It's gonna be glorious. I don't know how this thing works.
If you can figure that out, you can figure out anything, Daniel.
That sounds terrible.
Why
I
is
think
it?
I fucked it up.
You could have.
There. There. Oh, I did it.
You're just gonna look for the PCI slot. Should be.
It's upside down, man.
We'll turn it right side
Oh, I
up.
see it. Fuck. Dude, it is like... Alright, hold up. Just got it right next to his best friend there. Alright. I made contact.
Is it going in?
Oh yeah, it's
Got
in
a
there.
good-
It's in there,
got a good
man.
click.
It's in there, man.
Oh yes.
Alright, now I gotta put this bitch back. Should have plugged it in and been like, penis.
You're never like this at work, eh, man?
I know.
I wonder if it's because you like your job.
So that you're saying if I was acted like this at work, I'd lose my job?
Yeah.
Maybe. I'm totally saying that to Jack, though. 100%. Have you seen that vlog?
Yeah.
Just like that kid.
We got lights again. Means we didn't screw anything up along the way. And we got all fans spinning. Look at that. Hang on. Lost. Intake. Perfect.
Ah, cool.
Look at all this sexual tension. Oh, this could be a headache. Oh! Oh, look how clean that is. It'd be a shame if I just...
Got a picture of Mark on it.
And then this.
Well, as you guys see, that was my PC build. Thanks to Sam over there for helping me out. He did most of the work and I was just here for moral support. But I kind of learned some stuff and helped build my new PC, which I will be making lots of videos on for you guys. So, hey, what's going on, guys? Daniel back here. So I just wanted to jump right into this video and just like cut midway. You know, I showed you guys building it a little bit, but now it's completed. Everything's done, and I wanted to give you guys just a full setup of everything that's new in my room. As you guys can see, like right now, like this is pretty standard for the Daniel Phoenix DTS setup, but there's some new things. Right here, that's my old laptop. I might be using it still for like fact checking and just research and other cool stuff for videos, or if I have to make stuff on the go. But here, guys, I'm really excited to show you guys the actual real PC. It's all done, it's all completed. The shooting of like the behind the scenes of what we recorded wasn't super amazing, so I just wanted to show you guys like a setup video instead, but while also like showing you guys some of the building aspects of it because it was really fun and I got Sam to help me out with it. So here we go, without further ado. We're bringing it on to here. So from here, so this is now the corner of my room. So when you walk in, this is basically what you see. Like my sister calls it like a cute little cubicle. I mean, it's really cool and confined back here, but first let's take you back to what I actually did. So I built my thermal tank, and if you guys have any questions, guys, everything will be in the link of the description. So it's really hard to see in here, guys, but I have the graphics card, as you can see there. That's the little Wi-Fi card, and there's just a whole bunch of stuff in this thing that I put in there. There's a little cool fan. That's the cooler for the processor. But I will have all the links as in the description, as you guys can see, and you guys saw all the boxes earlier. But moving on over here, so here's my softbox, and so that's going to be shooting down to where I sit right there, you know, for some added light, get the good lighting. We have the nerd shelf here. I'm going to turn this light off. It's really cool for the background and stuff. And so if we move down in here, I don't want to get too close because it's hard to see. We got the two dual monitors. So this is the 4K monitor, 28 inch. That's the 24 1080p inch monitor, so I can play my games right here and then be recording and doing all the stuff on here at the same time. All right, the desk is very cluttered, so forgive me. That's my S6. We got the mix amp here, and then there's a power cord back in there. As you guys can see, this is the blue snowball. I have it right here. It blocks a little bit of there, but it's okay. It's out of the way enough. And then right here, right on the table, we actually have the Xbox One X with the controller, and then the Astros red, you know, you gotta love it. And so, and then like, yeah, it's just terrible, the cords back here, but you know, every PC is terrible with cords, you know, there's no getting around it. Got my webcam up here, might be getting a new one. We'll see how it goes, because I've been getting issues. Have all the Xbox games in the corner here, and when we pull this out, guys, the keyboard that I've been using along with the mouse. So Corsair, both of them, really cool products, guys. So that's basically it. You know, it's a really big change, you know. Of course, I mean, it was $3,000 for all this stuff basically, but it was totally worth it, you know. I can't wait to edit this video now on the new PC and get everything all recorded and ready to go. Start shooting for the future, making all these videos on this brand new PC. You know, it's been a really fun time making all this and just putting it all together and working hard for it, and you know, slowly but surely getting everything together and finally putting it into action and making it. You know, just it was fun and a lot of stuff went into it, and I'm really excited to have this now and just like be over that hurdle and be able to move forward and bring you guys more content, test things out, try new things, all at a faster pace. So yeah, I'm just really excited for that. So if you guys are excited for more content in the future, don't forget to drop a like on the video. As I said, all the items that I bought are going to be in the description down below. So if you guys needed any advice or anything, just check down below. So now that I got this new setup, guys, comment down below. Question of the day, guys, what kind of content do you want to see? Let me know. It would be really helpful for me to know. But that's all I got for you guys. Just wanted to show this off to you guys. I'm really excited for it. Really hope you guys are excited for it. And this has been me, Daniel, aka Phoenix DTS, and I want you to find yourself, be yourself, and love yourself. Hi guys, Daniel, aka Phoenix here, checking in with you guys at the end of the video. If you did enjoy what you saw, please check out one of these other two videos, or just like the video and subscribe down below for a video every single week. Thank you guys. I love you. Have a good one.